Ladies and gentlemen, today we embark on a journey into a world filled with vibrant golden hues and rays of hope with the beautiful sunflower. But did you know? Behind those petals that always turn towards the sun, there's a fascinating economic story that many of us have yet to discover. Sunflowers are not only symbols of strength and aspiration, but they also carry huge potential in the food industry, especially sunflower seeds, a highly nutritious and commercially valuable product. And today we will dive deeper into the secrets of growing sunflowers effectively and explore how to harvest sunflower seeds on a large scale. Join me on this exciting journey, where we not only witness the beauty of nature, but also uncover the economic opportunities it brings. Ladies and gentlemen, it's no coincidence that sunflowers are a symbol of resilience and growth. Just imagine a vast field of sunflowers, their radiant blooms like miniature suns swaying under the golden sky. The sunflower, or Helianthus annuus, as it's scientifically known, has been cultivated by humans for thousands of years, not only for its beauty, but for its many practical uses in daily life. So, what can sunflower seeds be used for? Many of you may have enjoyed crunchy roasted sunflower seeds during festive occasions or family gatherings, but that's not all. Sunflower seeds are also used to produce cooking oil, a staple ingredient in the food and even pharmaceutical industries. And when we talk about growing sunflowers on a large scale, we're not just creating beauty, we're also maximizing the economic value that this plant offers. But how can we ensure a vast golden field of sunflowers thrives and grows strong? The most important factor, as any gardener or farmer knows, is creating the ideal environment and conditions. Soil, the foundation of life. Sunflowers can grow in various types of soil, but to cultivate the largest and most beautiful blooms, we need to choose sandy loam soil, rich in nutrients and well-draining. This ensures the plants remain healthy while avoiding the risk of waterlogging. Sunlight, the eternal source of energy. Sunflowers need direct sunlight for 6 to 8 hours a day. You can imagine these flowers don't just live by sunlight, they love it, always turning towards it, much like how we strive towards the good things in life. Temperature and water, the essentials for life. Sunflowers grow best in temperatures between 21 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. At the same time, it's crucial to maintain soil moisture by regular watering, but remember, avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Now that we understand the ideal environment, let's dive into the detailed steps to grow sunflowers and achieve a bountiful harvest. Step 1. Selecting seeds. Remember, the seeds you choose must come from healthy, disease-free plants with a clear origin. Healthy seeds are the key to success in your sunflower growing journey. Soil preparation and planting. After selecting the seeds, preparing the soil is crucial. The soil must be thoroughly tilled and fertilized with organic matter to provide essential nutrients. This process is like preparing a soft cradle for the seeds to take root and grow. It's important to plant the seeds at the correct spacing, ensuring each plant has enough room to thrive. Sow the seeds about 2 to 3 centimeters deep, then gently cover them with soil to keep them secure. Caring and fertilizing. Sunflowers will thank you if you care for them diligently from the very beginning. Regularly add fertilizers, particularly nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, to ensure the plants are well nourished and strong. Like any living being, the sunflower has distinct growth stages. From the moment the seeds sprout through the stages of growing tall and strong to finally blooming in all its glory, it mirrors how we grow and achieve our dreams. Germination stage. Within 7 to 10 days after sowing, the seeds will germinate. This is a magical moment when you witness life taking root. Make sure the soil stays moist and doesn't dry out. Stem and leaf growth stage. After that, the plant will grow rapidly with the stem and leaves stretching towards the sky. During this stage, ensure regular watering and continue to provide essential nutrients to prevent the plant from being stunted. Flowering stage. Once the plant matures, the sunflower blooms will open up, creating a spectacular sight. This is also when sunflower seeds start to develop. When the sunflower petals begin to wilt and the seeds on the flower head have ripened, it's time to harvest. Harvesting at the right moment ensures the highest quality of seeds. Identifying ripe seeds. When the back of the flower head turns brown and the seeds are firm and have developed their distinct colors, they are ready to be harvested. Harvesting process. Cut the flower heads and allow them to dry under the sun, making it easier to extract the seeds. Once dry, remove the seeds from the flower heads and dry them further to prevent mold. After harvesting, proper storage is essential to preserve the quality of the seeds. Sunflower seeds can be stored in airtight plastic bags or vacuum-sealed packaging. Using sunflower seeds in food. Sunflower seeds can be roasted for snacking or used as an ingredient in salads, bread, and other dishes. Sunflower oil production. Sunflower seeds are rich in oil content and can be pressed to produce sunflower oil, a healthy cooking oil source. When growing sunflowers on a large scale, it's important to adopt sustainable practices to protect the environment and optimize production. Using organic fertilizers. Reduce the use of chemical fertilizers and replace them with organic fertilizers to protect the soil and maintain its fertility over time. Water conservation. Implement drip irrigation systems or sprinklers to save water while ensuring the plants receive sufficient moisture. Recycling resources. Make use of sunflower byproducts such as stalks and leaves as green manure or animal feed. Ladies and gentlemen, the journey of growing and harvesting sunflowers is not just a story of farming, but a lesson in patience, hard work, and faith in the future. The sunflower seeds we harvest today not only bring economic value, but also represent the dedication and care invested in the process. Thank you for listening and joining us on this journey. Remember, just as sunflowers always turn towards the sun, we too should focus on the good things in life and never stop striving for success.